Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is MonzyCrypto, and today we're going to continue on with a beautiful series over here that is called Clash of MOland, what we've doing in the past already. So, I'm going to show you guys over here that I did a few upgrades and everything is maxed out. You can see at the top there. Haven't gotten to play this game for quite a while, guys, and the reason being is because there was so much stuff happening. Made quite a lot of videos about change the arena and MOland defense and stuff like that. So also what game is more profitable. So please be on the lookout for those videos. I'm pretty sure it will be uploaded before this video will. So just have a look at our previous content we uploaded. Anyway, let's get into today's video. So all I'm going to do right now is click on this icon at the bottom left as always. And then we just got to do these quests right here. So territorial expansion. Let's just click on go right here. It will take us to the actual location. We need to get a few more territories. Now, this doesn't make sense right now for us to do that because we are maxed out with everything, and we want to spend some resources, right? So let me just see here. Remove hidden danger, the honor, upgrade hero. We could do that. Upgrade hero 5 times. I could do that for sure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that daily should be done now. And it is. There we go. Summon the hero. So let's summon some heroes over here. We got a free one. Ooh, another purple dude. Let's do one more summon. Ooh, we got the same card. Okay, that's a little weird. And we'll do 10 summons with gold. Everything got retired. No purple there. So, yeah, auto-retire working overtime there. Something I wish Change the Arena had, to be honest. I don't know why it's not there. 1-star cards should be instantly removed, right? No idea why this is not completed. But anyway, we can just expand right now. We'll take over this. So replenish all. Can't even go to full health. A little weird. Troop 2. Let's put in one of this. No, cancel. Let's put in one of these guys right here. Assign units. Auto assign. So we need to get more units and stuff. So there we go. Now we can waste a lot of resources, man. A lot. And that's gonna help a lot. So also let's upgrade these places. It will take 5 minutes. Upgrade our hospital. Upgrade our training camps. There we go. Spending some resources here is what I should do, to be honest. So let's continue on. Let's take over territories. Let's just read what we need to do. Conquer any 32 territories, and then level 4 territory or above. Whoa, dude. A level 4 territory or above. So conquer with our strongest team that we have. Let's see if we can take it. Level 4 or above. Might be a little bit tricky though. So let's see if we're gonna assign units. We can't. We can speed it up for sure. That was the wrong thing we sped up, I think. Yeah, we speed up the wrong thing. But we have a training camp level 2 now. Can we make it level 3? Yes. Upgrade now. Make it level 4. I mean, it's becoming a little bit bizarre right now. But the training camp has to get upgraded, I think. Anyway. So, how did that level 4 one go? Keep attacking. So, let's conquer it again. We'll send in our unit team 1 again. Saying keep conquering, so I assume that we can take it over. It just might be more than one attack. Oof. Keep attacking. So how about this? How about we say quick assign? Can't really do anything here. How about we upgrade this guy a bit? Okay. Then we click on the abilities. We just upgrade everything once. And do the same thing with this guy right here. Upgrade the abilities once. Something I should have done the other groups as well, to be honest, the other troop. Okay, that one is already upgraded once. Because we have, for some reason, a lot of these points. And this one right here. Upgrade. That one's already level 2. So let's conquer with this group right here. See what we could do. We have to get this level 4. We have to get it. Defeated. Conquer with the first team again. We have orcs roaming around here. Bro, I don't know if we can even take this. Invincible. Wow. Okay, we're definitely not strong enough for that just yet. That is a little ridiculous, man. Do you want to click on the events here? Level 4 unsealed. Siege City. Okay, we'll talk about the battle pass very soon, though. But I guess this is what you gotta deal with if you are a free-to-play player. Level 2, Conquer. Gotta keep sending our troops back because they need to heal somewhat, I guess. Now it says they keep attacking again. The invincible thing is gone. We might wanna... Ooh, we can upgrade to a next star. No, I don't want to have a 25%. We might want to start reading on our troops or our cards. There must be an easy way to see. So physical, right? Physical. Go to this one right here. Physical. Magic. So what if I remove this one? And then we'll check this one right here. Also physical. So we'll remove this one right here. And put it on the first team. So now we have 3 physical players right here. So that is the units. Cavalry, cavalry. So how about we change the units to cavalry? Okay. And then we remove this one because this one is infantry. Then we'll check the other group. Wait. Infantry. So there's 3 cavalries, but yeah, this is the same card technically. So these 2 are mages. So we have to get these 2 in the same party. which I think they will be now. Right, so there will be mages here. Mages. And then this one will be cavalry, because 2 of them are cavalry. So this guy is this guy, right? Doesn't have cavalry units. But it should... Okay, that level 4 restarted or something. There's no way we could actually get a level 4 at this very moment. And that tower is already cleared, so yeah. It will just be better for us to just keep attacking for now. I think the highest we could go is level 2. Getting some stuff done here. Let me just check. There's... No, that's units. Chest. How about our backpack? Is there something we could use here? Let's use this. Unique material pack. Shard skin roll. Or... We also have a legendary scroll. Which retired. What else could we use here? We got books, rename cards, optional resource chest. Let's use it. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, well, you could just confirm that. 500, there we go. That's what we need. We need those reserve units. So we just go back over here. Keep attacking. Yeah, dude, like, we are really weak for some reason. We are extremely weak. Troop 1. Quick assign. That's 500 units right there, man. Like... Looks like we're struggling to even do level 2s. It's crazy. So I know the first group can do level 2s. But the other group, I don't know. I don't know. Confirm. Can we add this one? No, you can't. It's weird though, because it's in a separate troop. And you still can't assign the same hero. A little bit weird. And a blue card, for some reason, can have so many troops. Okay, we did win that one, though. But we definitely, from now on forward, have to get as many reserve units as possible. And, there we go. I think that's all I needed to do. We'll claim our gold there. I can take this higher, so I'm gonna do that. Take our city hall to level 8. That's 8 hours right there. We'll definitely use that later down the line. Right? So, let's see. Conquer with the second troop. Replenish all. There we go. So that's what I had to do. Conquer with the first troop. And conquer. So all I had to do was go to this location right here and be like, listen, fix my units. Right? That's all I had to do. We'll upgrade this also. It seems that we could build these things also right here. And range, stable, barrack, temple. So this is the mages and barracks and stuff. Most probably we'll start to get stronger units from this then. Gonna check something more. Okay, it says conquer 32 territories, which will be done right now. Then we need to get level 4. Conquer level 4 or above territories 5 times, dude. Okay, I didn't see that one right there. But yeah, it's a little bit ridiculous. We need to make this troop stronger. The first troop we have. We might need to, like, get level 3 abilities on them. Right? Same with this guy right here. Okay, that's done. I don't really want to spend so many books, though. Let me just see here. Level 5, level 5, level 6. So maybe we should get this guy 1 level higher. And what if I do this, though? What if I remove these guys completely? And we just say replenish all. There we go. And now we go and attack a level 4 area. I think we have 1 unit that's strong enough. I'm gonna attack this one quickly. The reason being is because we might be able to kill these orcs also and get some extra, I don't know, something out of it. Hopefully we can, though. I mean, it should be possible. There we go. 500 units. We also killed the orcs. Oh, we didn't. We didn't win. We didn't win from that. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, can I view this match? Let's watch the replay, please. There's, I don't know, I don't even know if it's, like, close, man. Like, it might just be a slaughter. Complete one-sided. I mean, we don't even do level 3s yet, so... Let's watch the replay. Oh, okay, so now I see. You don't restart as well. Oh, if we could have killed that one. And now we're not attacking it at all. Yeah, what? It said victory. Yeah, we got it. We got it. And they marched back already. Look at them apples, dude. We got it and they marched back already. That is so nice. That's a lot of resources, man. But yeah, I guess that's gonna conclude today's video then. I mean, there's no way I'm gonna get 5 territories right now. Can't believe I actually won that match though. Like, I don't know what I need to do in order to win more level 4s. But that was really tough, dude. That was really tough. We can maybe get this guy up as well. So far it feels like this guy is not helpful at all. But yeah. He's also level 5. We'll do that. Like, I don't know what units is strong and stuff like that. I'm not gonna min-max the game, but... Bro, that was ridiculous. There's level 5s.